So imperative commands. So imperative commands include create, replace, or delete. Basically in Kubernetes, imperative commands are the way you interact with a cluster by directly instructing it to perform specific actions. Let's say there is a cluster and you ask the cluster, hey cluster, I want to create the pod. So if you do that, that is called as imperative operation or imperative commands. So these commands focuses on desired outcome rather than the underlying configuration files or the declarative state. When using imperative commands, you provide explicit instructions to create, replace, or delete. While imperative commands can be convenient, they may result in configuration drift if not carefully managed, as the desired state is not explicitly defined and tracked. So that is the disadvantage of using imperative commands. Now let's talk about declarative approach, that is apply. In Kubernetes, declarative commands are preferred approach for managing the cluster state and resources. With declarative commands, you define the desired state of your Kubernetes objects using a YAML or JSON configuration. Rather than specifying individual operations, you provide a compute representation of a desired state of your resources. When applying these files, Kubernetes compares the desired state with the current state of the cluster and automatically performs the necessary operations to reconcile any differences. I hope that is clear what is the difference between imperative commands and the declarative commands in Kubernetes.